Are you sick of spending hundreds of dollars on high-end perfume? Well, if you answer yes, today is your lucky day. Dossier is a company that makes replicas of you guys' favorite high-end perfume cologne. Yes, they make cologne also for you men at a very affordable price. So we're gonna get into it. When you open it up, it comes with a little card that explains the bottle that you have. So the one I have is Woody Hyacinth. I guess that's how you pronounce it. It has the ingredients and what it's inspired by. This is inspired by Chanel, the Chance Edge Perfume. This is the only company that I know sends you a travel size perfume, just in case, like you can spray this one. If you don't like it, you can put everything back in the box and ship it out for free and get something that you might like. So we're gonna get into the bottle. Y'all, this is so cute. And then the top, I love about this because I'm the one who always lose tops. The tops is magnetic. Okay, yeah, I love how this sprays out like so wide. And why am I spraying this in the air? Let me spray this on me. But y'all, this smells so good. Like, this gives you that strong woman vibe. Like, it's not too strong, it's not too fruity, it's both. This scent gives me like date night vibes. Like, this scent is to die for. It's like not too fruity, not too strong, because I like fruity scents. I don't like very strong scents, but it gives you the mix of both. So yes, this is the one to get. But again, Dossier is very affordable. I think they run like from $49 to $59. So y'all, if y'all tired of buying this high-end perfume that don't even last long on you, baby, Dossier is the company to go to. Say for instance, it's a scent that you want that's not on their website. If a lot of people reach out and tell them about it, they will make a replica of that scent. Like y'all, this, I'm telling you. And they also do cologne too. So if you into perfume, this is the company you want to go to, so you don't have to spend all that much money on perfume. So thank you again to Dossier for reaching out to sponsoring this video. And yeah, go get that. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So to slay these edges, I'll be using the 24-hour Edge Tamer by Ebin, New York. So starting off, I like to go ahead and place the edge control around the perimeter of my edges. So when doing my edges, I like to start off in the middle, basically making a semi-swoop. And as you see, I'm extending that swoop all the way back just to make sure everything is laid. You don't want laid edges with nappy hair. So to make the next swoop, you're going to part it where the hair naturally curve it. So after you make that part where the curve it, you just basically bringing all that hair down and making another swoop. Basically, think of it as a Nike sign. That's all you making. And remember to bring that swoop all the way back, like all the way back. So by my hair being freshly washed, it's kind of rejecting the edge control, but that's no problem. Just add more edge control and just continue to lay it. And again, you're looking for where your hair naturally curves at the end, and that's where you're putting the part in. And with me, I like a deep part edge. It just gives a little more spice. And make sure your part look as clean as possible or slick as possible. You don't want no hairs within that part. I don't know if that made sense. Just have a clean part. And again, I'm going to put my part on the curve and bring that down. And you can do as many swoops as you want, but I only like to do 4 because too many it'll look a little crazy. And with my sideburns, I just like to lay them back with the rest of the hair. So after I'm done with this side, I just like to take a regular brush and brush it and lay everything down. So again, we're just going to repeat the steps I just taught you, and I hope you guys like really learning this because I get a lot of requests on my edges. So I'm not going to do no more talking. I hope you all have your edge brush with you and join along. So after you're done with all your edges, just make sure everything is laying down. You can use your hand, a comb, a brush, or whatever you like to use. Just make sure everything is laying down, because you can have nice edges in nappy hair. You don't want that. So I use the comb part of the edge brush, and just to make sure I have no flyaways. It makes the hair look better. Y'all, treat the back as you do the front, baby. People see the back too. So I'm just going to add some Ebin on it, and then just pull it up with the comb part and make sure that's slick as well. You don't want no naps in the kitchen. So to avoid your hair turning white or flaky looking, you're just going to spray some oil on it. Any type of oil is fine. And you're going to work that oil within your hair just to keep it moisturized so it don't turn white. And before I tie my hair down and set my edges, I just like to go in and make sure everything is how I want it. "10 minutes.